Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can black IP in Cloudflare. So the first thing that you will do is of course log into your Cloudflare dashboard and select your domain, and then you will just have to click this tree that's right here, and then you will click configure web application firewall. So just go ahead and click that. And then what you will have to do is click create rule and then click custom rules. And then now what you will do is give your rule as a descriptive name. So it really depends on you. Uh, and by the way, it is required. And for the field, you will just have to set it to IP source address, which is right here. And then you will just have to set the operator to is in, and then uh and then you will just have to enter the IP address or a list of IP address that you want to block. For ranges, you will just have to use the CIDR notation, and then after that you will just have to set the action to black, and then you will just have to click deploy. And yeah, that's basically just it, and I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.